a bridal shop in Flushing, Queens, till her boyfriend took her out in one of those crushing scenes. What was she to do? Where was she to go? She was out on her fanny. So over the bridge from Flushing to the Sheffield's door, she was wearing some makeup, but the father saw more. She had style, she had flair, she was there. That's how she became Annie. Who would have guessed that the girl had described was just exactly what the doctor prescribed? Now the father finds her beguiling. Watch out, CC. And the kids are actually smiling. Such joie de vivre. She's the lady in red whenever